All right, your last first read semester can be found on pages 231 to 238. It is from a graphic novel called Mouse. As you read, again, you'll be circling the who and the where. You'll be underlining the what happened. You'll put question marks for the unclear items and stars for important things to remember. There is no audio for this because it is a graphic novel. So if you notice, it is reading panels. But it is good to know the background. So let me read you the background. In Mouse, Art Spiegelman tells the story of his parents, Vladek and Anya Spiegelman, who survived the Holocaust. At the start of this excerpt, Vladek and Anya are living in hiding with Mrs. Motonoa, whose husband does not know she is hiding Jews. They arrange a meeting with smugglers at the house of a woman named Mrs. Kauka to discuss plans to be smuggled out of Poland. So, the author of this is Art Spiegelman. He was born in 1948. He is an American author and illustrator whose Holocaust narratives, Mouse and Mouse 2, helped to establish the graphic novel as a sophisticated literary form. So if you are into graphic novels, this author is one of the first authors to really bring graphic novels into literary form. Mouse was serialized from 1980 to 1991, and it depicts Spiegelman interviewing his father about his experiences as a Polish Jew and Holocaust survivor. All right, so after you complete the first read, you are going to complete the comprehension check on page 239 in your workbook. Thank you and have a great rest of the day.